Hello mga ka-auto, this is Engineer RP from Home Automated PH and magre-request po tayo ngayon ng client feedback from one of our clients who availed po our Smart Fence product. And yun, thank you again Ma'am Jocelyn for availing po our Smart Fence. So, second product na to Ma'am na na-avail nyo. Una po is yung Smart Gate and na po is yung Smart Fence. So, yes, Ma'am, kamusta po Ma'am yung naging experience po nila Ma'am overall po?
Same pa din po tulad nung dati, yung service mabilis, active pag may kailangan, and then pag may problema naman agad-agad solusyonan. Kaya kayo po ulit yung kinuha ko.
Thank you Ma'am, sana baka appreciative po na feedback. And from a scale Ma'am, from 1 to 5 stars, mga ilang stars po Ma'am kaya nilang ibigay po?
1 to 5 po?
Apo.
Pwede po 6.
6 stars. Thank you very much. May plus 1 Ma'am. And bakit po 6 stars Ma'am?
Sa customer service, excellent po talaga siya, which is yun yung kailangan ko. And then yung after sales, after service, as in madali kausap, mabilis yung action talaga agad. Kaya hindi na ako nagtingin ng ibang company.
Okay, thank you Ma'am. And marirecommend po ba nila si Home Auto?
Opo. Sobra, as in, mabilis kausap, very convenient. So why not, diba?
Okay, thank you so much Ma'am Jocelyn.
Thank you
With that po
po.
Ma'am, we have a simple token po. Ayan. Ito po from Home Automated.
Thank you po. Thank you po.
Pang-copy Ma'am.
Sakto.
Sige, Ma'am.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Ma'am.